I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring recovery media and backups are ready, because once you change system files, you need a fallback. Insert the recovery USB and reboot. Press the BIOS key to boot from USB. Once done, choose Repair Your Computer, not Install Now, and pick Troubleshoot. Make sure to check Startup Repair first to let Windows automatically fix boot issues. If Startup Repair fails, note the error code and proceed to Advanced Options for targeted fixes. This sequence prevents unnecessary reinstalls. Once you're in Advanced Options, open Command Prompt to run chkdsk, System File Checker, and DISM. These fix disk errors and corrupted system files. First run chkdsk/f/r to repair sectors. After it completes, reboot into recovery again. Next run sfc/scanno to restore protected files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. Make sure to reboot between tools and test safe mode boot. If drivers are faulty, you finish by restoring stability. If repairs succeeded, run Windows Update and verify drivers. If issues persist, use Reset this PC and choose Keep My Files to reinstall Windows without losing data. After reset, reinstall apps and restore personal files from your backup, then run updates and a full antivirus scan. Make sure to create a fresh recovery drive when done. If something goes wrong, note error codes, run memory tests like memtest86, and check Smart Disk Health to pinpoint hardware causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.